Hi, I'm Dave Brown, Attic Buddies Insulation. And you know when it's time to remove insulation and replace it? I can give you three really good times when it's important to do so. One is when you have an infestation or your insulation is infested. And you can tell just by looking and seeing that you have droppings. There will be all kinds of other issues in the attic that is created by pests, such as torn down insulation. They will do their business in the insulation. They may even give birth in the insulation. That's a good time to consider removing and replacing. The other time is if you had water damage. Many of your roofs might be leaking, and that water can intrude into the attic and sit for a while and cause mold over time. And that will be a good time to replace your insulation. And then the third one is sometimes it's as simple as you need to get a fresh start. Your health is in jeopardy. It could be an old, not so clean product. We don't really like cellulose. We kind of stay away from that. So a lot of people want to get rid of that old cellulose. It's ground paper with borax. And it's not the cleanest product in our opinion. So those are the three times when you're going to want to think about removing insulation: when you have an infestation, molds, or for health reasons. You just want to start fresh. Okay, my name is Dave Brown for Attic Buddies Insulation. If you have any questions or any doubts, we are free to come out and give a free inspection. And it doesn't cost anything, and we can also give you an estimate for repair or replacement, removal and replacement. You can give us a call at 1-888-99-BUDDY in Atlanta, 678-632-5151 in Houston, 832-464-7176.